Hello students, welcome to English session. Books are referred to as a man's best friend. They are very beneficial for mankind. Books can be a great companion. Great writers give their best in their books. Today we are going to discuss a beautiful poem. We who love books. Do you know who is the poet? Ruskin Bond. Before the poem begins, I would like to give a brief about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a well known Indian writer in English. He has written short stories, novels, and many books for children. He was born on 19th May 1934 at Kausali in Himachal Pradesh. He is the eldest son of Abroy Alexander Bond and Edith Clark. He spent his childhood in Jamnagar, Dehradun, and Shimla. His first book was The Room on the Roof. The awards he received are Sahitya Akademi Award, Padma Shri, and Padma Bhushan. Let us start our poem. We who love books. Some books I will never give away, though old and worn, their binding torn. Upon my shelves they will always stay, alive, still read, still fresh each dawn, their magic moments never gone. The poet Ruskin Bond is a book lover. He talks about the connection he feels with his books. Some of the books on his shelf may be old and worn and their binding torn, but he would never give away. Do you know the reason? The books he does not throw away feel so fresh that every time he reads them, he experiences the magic of wonderful moments within them all over again. So, those books are still alive and fresh each morning. Second stanza. Familiar friends, these timeless tales have been with me since I was 10. And as I turn their pages once again, I feel and love their old refrain. The poet refers to these books as his companions, his friends, because he has read them many times and knows the stories well. Those books have been with him when he was 10 years old. Still, he loved these books. Again and again, he likes to read them. So he told, these books are his familiar friends. Great words, great thoughts still stand the test of time that is passing by so fast. These good companions never fail to give me joy, to nourish me. We who love books will always be the lucky ones, our minds set free. He says, the books not just help him to pass time, but have also been encouraging great thoughts in him over the years. The ideas expressed in these books nourish him. These good friends never fail to give him joy. At the end, the poet is commending that the people, those who love books, are lucky ones because their mind became free. I hope you like this poem. Recite the poem and by heart it. Okay? Thank you.